Imagine this. You're deep in a jungle, the air thick and heavy with the scent of damp earth and blooming flowers. Suddenly, you spot it. A web, shimmering with morning dew, stretches between two giant leaves. It's an intricate masterpiece, stronger than steel for its weight. In the center sits its creator, a creature of ancient design, a patient hunter, waiting for its next meal. This isn't a monster from a horror film. This is one of nature's most successful and misunderstood animals, spiders. They've been on our planet for hundreds of millions of years, long before the dinosaurs roamed, perfecting their skills and adapting to nearly every environment imaginable, from the highest mountains to our very own homes. For many, the first reaction to seeing a spider is fear. It's a primal response, perhaps passed down through generations. We see those multiple legs, those unblinking eyes, and our instincts scream danger. But what if we took a moment to look closer? What if we pushed past that initial jolt of alarm and saw them for what they truly are? They are survivors, engineers, essential players in the world around us. Right then, let's get down to the basics. What exactly separates a spider from, say, a beetle or an ant? You might shout, the legs. Spiders have 8 legs. That's the most famous clue. Insects are part of the 6-leg club. But differences run deeper than leg count. It all comes down to body plan. Think blueprint. Insect head, insect thorax, where legs and wings attach. Insect, abdomen. Spiders belong to arachnids. Arachnids include scorpions. Arachnids include ticks. Arachnids include mites. Spiders have 2 body parts, not 3. The head and thorax are fused into a cephalothorax. Cephalothorax houses the brain. Cephalothorax houses the eyes. Cephalothorax houses venom glands. Cephalothorax houses chelicerae, powerful jaws. The second part is the abdomen. Abdomen contains the heart. Abdomen contains the digestive system. Abdomen contains spinnerets that make silk. Another giveaway, headgear. Insects almost always have antennae. Spiders, no antennae. Instead, they have pedipalps near the mouth. The pedipalps are the spider's multi-tool, now eyes and wings. Most spiders have multiple simple eyes, usually 8. Many spider eyes just detect light. Some hunters, like jumping spiders, have excellent vision. Insects often have large compound eyes. And the big one, many insects have wings and can fly. Have you ever seen a spider with wings? Absolutely not. Spiders are masters of the ground and the web. Now we know what they are. Let's talk about why they matter. It's easy to overlook a small creature, but spiders are absolute giants when it comes to their impact on the planet's ecosystems. Think of them as the silent guardians, the unsung heroes working around the clock to maintain a delicate balance. Their primary role is that of a predator. And what do they eat? Mostly insects. Lots and lots of insects. From the buzzing flies that annoy us at a picnic to the mosquitoes that carry diseases, spiders are on the front line, keeping their populations in check. Without spiders, we would be quite literally swamped. The sheer scale of their work is staggering. Scientists have done the maths. It's estimated the world's spider population consumes 400 to 800 million metric tons of prey each year. That's more than the total weight of every single human on the planet combined. They are one of the most significant and widespread insectivores on Earth. This service is invaluable, especially in agricultural areas. Spiders patrol our crops, devouring pests like aphids and caterpillars, providing a natural form of pest control that reduces our reliance on chemical pesticides. But their job doesn't end there. Spiders are not just predators, they are also an important source of food for other animals. Bird-with spider, lizard-eating spider, frog-eating spider, wasp-attacking spider, and even other spiders. They form a crucial link in the food web. The word spider conjures up a single image for many people, but the reality is a world of breathtaking diversity. There are over 50,000 known species of spider, and scientists are discovering new ones all the time. They come in an incredible array of shapes, sizes, and colors, each one perfectly adapted to its unique lifestyle. At the smallest end of the scale, you have the Patu d'Igua from Colombia. This tiny marvel is so small it could comfortably sit on the head of a pin, measuring less than half a millimeter across. It's a true micro-hunter, navigating a world of moss and leaf litter that, to it, must seem like a vast and dense jungle. At the other extreme, we have the titans of the spider world. meet the Goliath bird-eater tarantula from the rainforests of South America. With a leg span that can reach up to 30 centimeters, that's the size of a dinner plate, and a body weighing as much as a young puppy, it's an imposing sight. Despite its name, it doesn't regularly eat birds, large insects, worms, frog, or lizard. Its size is its weapon, a powerful and intimidating hunter that prowls the forest floor under the cover of darkness. It's not just about size, it's about specialization. Take the incredible diving bell spider, the only spider known to live almost its entire life underwater. It builds a bell-shaped web amongst underwater plants and then carries bubbles of air from the surface down to fill it, creating its very own submarine home where it can rest, eat, and raise its young, completely submerged. Then you have the peacock spider from Australia. The male is a dazzling spectacle of iridescent color. To win a mate, he performs a complex and vibrant dance, raising his brightly colored abdomen and waving his legs in a display that's as beautiful as any bird of paradise. And let's not forget the masters of disguise. The crab spiders are ambush predators that can change their body color over a few days to perfectly match the flower they are sitting on. White, yellow, pink. They sit perfectly still, invisible to visiting bees and butterflies, waiting for an unsuspecting meal to come to them. Beyond their varied appearances, spiders possess some abilities that would make a superhero jealous. Their most famous superpower is silk. This isn't just one material. A single spider can produce up to 7 different types of silk from its spinnerets. Each type has a different property and purpose. Super strong dragline silk, used for the web's frame, used for abseiling to safety. Sticky capture silk for trapping prey. This material is a biological marvel. Weight for weight, some spider silk is 5 times stronger than steel. It also stretches a lot without breaking. Another incredible ability is venom. For spiders, venom is a crucial survival tool. Most spiders use venom to quickly subdue much larger prey. It saves them from dangerous physical struggles, and it lets them digest meals externally. Venom contains a cocktail of proteins that can paralyze prey. It begins to liquefy the victim's insides. The spider then drinks the resulting nutritious soup. Gruesome but effective. Let's talk senses. Many spiders have poor eyesight but perceive vibrations. A web-building spider in the center of an orb web, like a musician with fingers on strings. It can tell from a tremor whether it's a trapped insect, or just a gust of wind, or a potential mate approaching. Hunting spiders, like the wolf spider, use leg hairs for touch. Those hairs detect the faintest ground movements. Some abilities seem to defy physics. How do they walk up walls and across ceilings without falling? The secret is in their feet. Tiny claws at the tip of each leg. Dense tufts of microscopic hairs, scopulae. Each hair splits into thousands of finer ends. That increases surface contact dramatically. They tap into van der Waals forces for temporary, non-sticky adhesion. It's nano-engineering in nature, letting them explore 3D space with ease. The spider's web is one of the most iconic structures in the natural world, a testament to instinct and engineering. The classic circular orb web is a masterpiece of design, but it's just one of many types of web spiders create. Building one of these is a complex process. The spider starts by releasing a thread of silk into the wind, hoping it will catch on a nearby branch to form a bridge line. From this foundation, it meticulously lays down the radial spokes, then reinforces the center to create a hub. Not all spiders are so neat and tidy. Black widow webs look like chaotic three-dimensional tangles close to the ground. But there's a clever method. The web is anchored by strong, taut trip lines. Funnel web spiders build a flat sheet of silk that leads into a silken tube or funnel. The spider hides inside, waiting for prey to cross the mat. More than half of all spider species are active hunters, relying on stealth, speed, strategy. Jumping spiders are the cheetahs of the spider world. Superb vision, stalking like a cat, a sudden breathtaking leap. They attach a silk safety line before they jump, a built-in backup. Some hunting strategies are bizarre and brilliant. The ogre-faced spider doesn't build a stationary web, it weaves a tiny elastic fuzzy net. It hangs upside down at night holding the net. When an insect walks below, the spider stretches the net and lunges, casting it over the prey, an ambush unique in the animal kingdom. Spiders are the subject of more myths and old wives' tales than almost any other creature. It's time to set the record straight on a few of the most common ones. Let's start with a big one. The idea that you swallow a certain number of spiders in your sleep every year. You've probably heard it. 8 spiders, maybe 4. The real number? Almost certainly 0. Think about it from the spider's perspective. A sleeping human is a terrifying landscape. You're a giant, breathing, snoring, twitching volcano of heat and vibration. It's the last place a spider, which is highly sensitive to vibrations, would want to explore. Here's another classic myth. Daddy longlegs are the most venomous spiders in the world, but their fangs are too small to bite you. This one is doubly wrong. The name daddy longlegs is used for the cellar spider, the harvestman, which is an arachnid but not a spider, and the crane fly, which is an insect. What about the camel spider? Tales from soldiers describe giant screaming spiders that run at 30 miles per hour and disembowel camels. This is pure exaggeration. They top out at around 10 miles per hour, don't scream, and absolutely do not attack camels or humans. Finally, let's bust the myth that all spiders are aggressive and out to get us. The overwhelming truth is that spiders are incredibly shy and reclusive creatures. Their first instinct is to run. Their second instinct is to hide. Their third instinct is to play dead. A spider bite is always, without exception, a last-ditch defensive act. Now, we've busted some myths, but it's important to be honest. Some spiders are medically significant to humans. Their venom can be potent enough to cause serious reactions. Let's take the notorious black widow. The female, shiny black body, distinct red hourglass on her underside. Her venom is a potent neurotoxin that can cause severe muscle pain, cramping, nausea. It's very unpleasant. Antivenom has made fatalities almost unheard of where modern care exists. The Sydney funnel web is often called one of the most dangerous. The male's venom is fast-acting and potent to primates. Before 1981 antivenom, male bites could be fatal. Facts: they live in a specific Australian region, in ground burrows, and there have been no confirmed deaths since antivenom. Even where they live, bites are incredibly unlikely. Severe reactions are even less likely. You're more likely to be seriously harmed by a bee sting or by a dog. Most of the 50,000+ spider species pose no threat. Hopefully, this journey into the world of spiders has replaced some fear with fascination. These creatures are not monsters. They are marvels of evolution, essential for the health of our environment, masters of engineering, and survival. Appreciating them doesn't mean you have to love them, but respecting their role in the world is a great first step. Next time you find a spider in your house, consider being its relocation service instead of its executioner. Catch it with a simple cup. Slide a piece of card under the cup. Release it outside where it can keep eating garden pests. Becoming a spider spotter connects you with nature right on your doorstep. You don't need exotic jungles, your backyard, a local park, a window box. All you need is patience and a keen eye. Look for classic orb webs in the morning, covered in dew. Check window frame corners for tangled cellar spider webs. Scan flower heads for camouflaged crab spiders. Watch sunny walls and fences for jumping spiders moving energetically. A magnifying glass is a great tool for a spider watcher. Always be a respectful observer. Never touch the spider or its web. Just watch and learn. Glimpse the secret life of these animals. Spiders remind us our world is filled with wonder in unexpected places. They are ancient survivors and crucial ecosystem engineers. They challenge our perceptions and show beauty beneath fear. So go on, take a closer look. You might find the 8-legged creature you used to dread is a remarkable neighbor. The adventure of discovery is waiting right outside your door, one shimmering silk thread at a time. Thank you for joining us on this journey into the amazing world of spiders. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you never miss an adventure. Share your spider sightings or questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay curious and see you in the next video.